A higher time frame in most cases, price action a respecter. So whatever that you do, you must find yourself going according to a higher time frame. Look at this. Remember, Ascara change time frame weekly.
Yeah.
We had a drop, base, drop. The price is for the first time. What were you gonna do? Sell, push the market down, everyone. And then from here, yeah, because of what happened on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, we had a rally, base, rally. The price Yabuya tested the rally, base, rally, and then it created a large rally, base, rally. It went up, it came back to the large one, everyone, and then you push it up. Again, we had a drop, base, drop. Yabuya because of what happened on the left-hand side. You have a high price, you have a Yabuya again for the second time. You won't learn na ailingan. So I want to explain something which what does that mean? Should kwenzeka uzobona i-rally base rally or i-drop base drop yakho kukanje. That's a sign yokuthi price mayibuya la izobreaka. Yayibona? Whenever you're gonna see
when the one on the right is higher on the left.
It doesn't matter whether it's a rally base rally or a drop base drop or a trend line. Remember, when we have a rally base rally or a drop base drop or a supported resistance, the price is ochiga maybe for the first time, for the second time. But ama bounces are not gonna be the same.
Okay.
Example, nganebona mawuphethe imbazo ushaya isihlahla. Eventually mawushaya something yaphuma ehlahleni. Mawuphinde ushaya futhi siyaphuka isihlahla. Mawushaya kwesi-3 so yasigamula complete. So I'd use that example, which this is the first time you hit it, the second time, the third time you hit it, siyaphuka isihlahla. Look at this, the price went through. This was the sign yokuthi next time sibuya la we're gonna break out.
Yeah.
Ungayikhohlwa leyo part leyo. Let's go and check amanyama opportunity.
Yeah, right.
Look at this. We had a rally, base rally. The price ibuyile azothatha la. Unfortunately, I couldn't check this one due to the broker that I was using. So in Kawati level, so there's nothing that I can do. So I need to get ama opportunities anyunje konala. We're gonna expect a sell soon. We're gonna expect a sell. Once the support is broken, it becomes a resistance. We don't have a penetration here.
Yeah.
What we have to do, we have to go to smaller time frame. The reason for us to go to smaller time frame is to look for possible entries where the price ingachiga or where we can take our entries way to ngendlela sharp. Because about nami still this opportunity due to load shedding ingenzela amanga, but there's nothing that I can do because now it's not easy to avele jump in. This trend line, look at this. This is a trend line here. Or I valid unless Siagu 1 hour. The second touch, I got complete. Let's put it like this. Yeah, now it looks complete. So Masai, what we can do, we can look for AMA opportunities where sell here. And if you're gonna sell, make sure that you stop loss accuracy above this one. And then this is where you're gonna place you take profit yako. This is where your take profit gonna be. This gonna be first take profit yako. Oh, share my skis. Just struggling with the network.
Yeah.
Now we have
problem.
Yeah, network is in the Lamanga these days. Now what do we have here? We have maybe Zandentally first TP and then the second TP. So if you check here what we have a rally base rally. I'm on 1 hour time frame. The price came back to the rally base rally. It went up again. It came back to the rally base rally again. It went up. It came back to the rally base rally again. So as it was going down, a drop base drop was created here. You can see it's a drop base drop. Now if price wheel back to the drop base drop, and there's a trend line here. Unfortunately, angazi ukuthi ngimise kanjani this opportunity. I'm not sure. But now the best thing that we can do is to go to smaller time frame and look for possible entries. And if we are looking for AMA entries here, we're gonna look for sell opportunities. Now you can see that the price is trying to go up. You don't have to find yourself buying here. You don't have to find yourself buying, because now you'll be against the opposite. You'll be against the direction of the market from a higher time frame. You'll be against. And now if you check, if you pay attention to this one, your price jigile lana yabuya what you penetrate manje. Now your price is in a form of a range. Like let's go to 5 minutes so that you can see. To 5 minutes we have something like this. It's a bit of a range. We don't know which is a shooter phezulu or izokwenza njani. But what you can do now ukuthi ulinde. You break out or you put iye phezulu, and then you take a sell opportunity, you put your stop loss above. And then your price is over eventually. Let's go back to higher time frame. There's something of Nasi check. Your price, we would say if we are here for the first time. And if we are here for the first time, what does that mean? The price is going down. Let's check again. Let's look for support and resistance. Here's our support. Your price ichigela because of this rally base rally. You still remember the rally base rally that we identified earlier? Ichigelana, you can see here is the rally. So a rally base rally to push a market yaya phezulu. So as the rally base rally push the market up, now it's supply and demand here. I mean, it's support and resistance. Let's go back and check. Unfortunately, you don't have much touches, but you can see this one was holding. This one was holding. You can see here, holder. And then now we had a breakout here, price here pants. So as the price here pants, now it's sheer nanila, it's sheer ne rally base rally, as you can see. So if you're gonna sell here, I'd say it trade here to see exit as much as the price is a figure because now I'm not sure what ni good kangaranani acting ni hold the trade for his seat. Because remember, at the end of the day, for you to make money, you need to stay his seat in the market. Flip.
Yeah. Now I'm still developing that.
You're still developing that. That's the only way you can make a lot of money in trading.
Yeah,
yeah.
So can you make
okay.
Okay, Pilo. Okay, good afternoon anyway. Is it possible that you can do on those single trades, do 2 trades out of that? Like you say, the first one, you may take profit there by a rally base rally.
Yes.
And then the second one, you make it there. You see the last week, the one where that one.
Yes.
Is it possible that you can do that? You make it 2 different trades out of one.
I'm not sure. Maybe if you can elaborate so that I can understand.
I mean, yeah, let's say you see there where we are selling, the last one where we are selling. The first one, you use the same stop, what do you call it, stop loss. Then you make it the trade, you say take profit there by rally base rally. Then you open another new order, make it the second one. Then you say the take profit to that one, where the last week, you see whether you draw the line. Is it possible?
Okay. Now I understand you. It is possible, but you will also have a challenge. Look at this. Now we have a, let me zoom in. You can see where the market turned. Remember, since all the market turned here on a 4-hour time frame, now the market is roughly here. Expect the market to break this one. Expect something like this.
Yes, to go
Now,
there.
this is your first take profit.
Yes.
And then expect a pullback like this. So if you will sell,
any chances of it going down?
It is going down. Remember, it doesn't go straight.
Yes, yes.
It doesn't go straight.
Yes, that's what I mean.
So
Then it will take a profit there, then you'll be left with the one running.
I want to show you what could be the challenge for opening a new trade. Now, if you still remember, here we have support, 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 support. I am now expecting the price to turn again here to the support. And if the price is gonna turn, this is what we're gonna expect. So if you're gonna sell here, you'll have a little bit of a problem. Where are you gonna place your stop loss?
No, I'm not saying a new trade. You open the trade at the same time, there at the top. Yeah. At the same time. Yes.
Yes, that's how we do it. You open two trades, and then the first profit's gonna be here, and then the second one.
The second one. That's what I was asking. That is it possible?
Oh,
okay.
I thought you were asking if you can open two trades along the way.
The other one after that, no. From the beginning.
You open them here, and then while they are running, the first profit, take profit, you're gonna gain, and then you wait for the price to hit your second take profits, and then you're gonna be safe.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, okay, now I understand. From here, you know that you're gonna have a breakout. This is what you're gonna see. If you go to the left-hand side, you can see resistance, it was broken. Until the price gets to this level, this is what you're gonna see. The price will not go straight. Sometimes you're gonna see something like this. While the market is going up, you can see it came back, it went up, it came back to this level. From here, the market accelerated to go up. You can see what happened here. So now what we can do, we can just look for sell opportunities, because now this one is a downtrend. I missed this opportunity. Now it's a downtrend. The best thing that we can do is to look for sell opportunities. We don't buy. Even if the market can go up, you don't buy, you look for sell opportunities so that you can be safe. Now, if you're going to buy here, you will be against the direction of the market, of which is wrong. And you don't have to find yourself in that situation or position of buying where else the trend is selling.
Okay.
And now you can see Maui keep and going back to daily time frame. This one might take a let's go back to weekly. You can see and just imagine how much are you gonna make if you can let it trade Iran at this distance. With 0.01, you don't need to use 0.50, 0.01, and then you push the market up. You can make up to $50 with two trades, 50-50, account kanjalo. But then it challenge a corner. I'm not gonna hide this from you guys. I'm a signal at some point. I'll show you why I'm a signal at some point. Let's go to 1 hour. Looking at this, I can see here we have opportunity now. And then the market will just go a little bit like this, and then here pays. What's the whole point of putting niggas a signal engaga, whereas we're gonna have a signal ezohamba isikhathi eside. This one, if let's say maybe uvula le, i-risk to reward yakho lies like 1:3, of which is not enough for me. The best thing that I can do ukuthi sibuke ezosinikeza imali. Like, remember what happened last week? Which pair? Abanye bathethe i-GBP JPY. That was a long trade. So mangikhipha ama-trades, angifuni ama-trades amancane azokufakela imali encane at the end of the day. Remember, the goal is to make money. It's not ukuthi sizoscalpa here. So if uzobona kungena signal engifakile, that means ama-opportunity along awakaveli. And remember, you wait for a good opportunity ize kuwe. But if uzofuna ukuthi wena always wenza imali, every day wenza imali, you're gonna have a problem and you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. Imagine you know ukuthi when we have a rally-based rally, what's gonna happen? So uthola i-price ila. There's no reason for you to jump and buy here. Wait for the price ibuye position yakho, and then that's when you're gonna buy. That is why trading idinga a discipline. If you don't have a discipline, you're not gonna make it here. It is okay to go days without taking trades, not because of a subbook trader or what. Ama opportunities are right. Look at this opportunity, ne? Example. Now, if price yakho uyithola if ihamba la, you don't have to jump in and buy. Think, no, price ingishile, it's time for me to buy. If you go to smaller time frame, here we have a support and resistance. Even though it looks more like a pullback, but we have a support and resistance. It's resistance, support. So here we have a breakout. The best thing that you can do for yourself is to wait with the price figure, and then this is where you have to buy. And you're gonna be safe if you buy here. So if our opportunities are right, angeke nginikeze ama signal. Because what's the point with nginikeze a signal engaka?
Yeah.
Or nginikeze signal engaka. I can see with the price is higher peso, so I jump in high signal, tatan. Any challenge ebakhona, sometimes ngikhipha isignal. Kube nomuntu ozofika late, athole isignal mhlawumbe ihamba somewhere la. Abheke le stop loss, take profit yokuqala ila. Take profit yes to ila, then you jump in. Should the price ever against you and when I jump in stop loss to sisbege lana and then sipaela. It is to it's one. Yeah, it is to one. Reward yet we can say up to mhlampe 10. I'm estimating 1:10. So when if you're gonna jump here, it is it's different. Same applies nokuthi uthathe ama-trades. If you're gonna jump in isikhathi singakabanga sharp, you're gonna have a problem. So the best thing that you can do for yourself ukuthi ulinde ukuthi price ikuvumele ukuthi now it's time to sell. If you come back to this level, remember I said now here we're gonna look for the opportunity to sell. If ufika jump la without understanding it, okay, manje kwenzakalani, but oh manje njengoba yehla, so that means I have to buy isuka ku trend line. Yayibona iprice yenzani la, ikunikeza ama signals ukuthi iyakhuphuka yona. So if you're gonna jump in, you have a drop based drop, you have a drop based drop. You don't know what, okay, price is a figure la, and then mina ngiyasela, izozala, and then mina ngiyasela. It's another challenge. Let's say I was not there to help. You don't know Maxo Boyo and Zanjan. If you alone think, okay, now I can see the price to Isugagu resistant and Israel pants. It is time for me to sell. Where were you going to sell or place your stop loss after selling here? Yeah, that was the question.
If you sell where?
Remember, we have two drop-based drops here. Now we have to look for sell opportunities here.
Yeah.
Where were you gonna sell? Or where are you gonna sell here? And after selling, where you gonna say we have to sell? Where are you gonna place your stop loss?
And it's a bit far. Sorry. And it's far.
Exactly. That is why you have to wait for the price if you get to the right place where you're gonna sell or buy. Because if you're gonna jump in and sell here and jump in, or if you're gonna jump in and sell here, that means your stop loss must be above. Because you don't know what can happen here. For you to be safe, your stop loss must be above. And then if your stop loss is above, how is your risk gonna be? You see. So let's just check few.
I think it's gonna be more than the reward.
You see, of which is not what we are looking for. Let's just check few pairs and then we look for good opportunities since we're seeing ama trades. Now I'm going to figure these XM broker because it was a rubbish. Look at what we have here. This is a support. It was broken here. Now we're expecting with the price ichigela. Let's go to weekly. Ayibona ukuthi ime kanjani this one. And we have a trend lines here pushing the market down. Now, if uzothi uyasela la, that means you have to wait the price ifike la and then you're gonna buy. Let's go to daily, let's check. Because now, if you're gonna buy here, it's stop loss sakho yosibeka kuphi. That is why at some point you're not gonna get trades immediately. Look at this. It's a beautiful trend line, but if I figure out as a trend line accurate. It's not easy to just jump in and buy because of the price. Look at what we have here. Now we have a rally base rally. A rally base rally to the price hambili we also tatama orders. We rally base rally. It went all the way up, it came back again. But if you go to a line chart, this is accurate. As far as it is accurate, look at this again. Support. It was broken, it became a resistance. It was broken, support. Let's go to the candlesticks so that you can see what I'm talking about. Here you had opportunities to buy, but then if you trend line you're not gonna get the entry here. You're not gonna get the entry. And again, it's a good daily time frame. So the higher the time frame, the higher the pips. So you need to check utola ama trades anjani. So in situations like this, you need to wait with the price if you get exactly good trend line yako, and then if you're gonna buy here, trade yako is over accurate risk yako. Is over 1:5, 1:6. But then if you're gonna just jump in because of you can see with the market Pezulu or pants, that's when you're gonna have a problem. Begale, this one. Webona UTNZ.
Okay.
Ilengi kipe, was it yesterday or Monday morning? You can see we have two confirmations.
Yesterday morning.
Monday morning. We have two confirmations here that confirms Uguti it is time to sell. Not sure if you can see.
That one of 3 o'clock.
Yes, your trend line.
That one of 3 o'clock.
Yes, your trend line first time, second time. This is where our dead touch is. And then if you check here, we have a resistant. The price was supposed to go down here. And then the 10% happened here. As you can see, the price went all the way up. So now if you think it is safe for you to buy, you're gonna buy here and you put your stop loss below. And then after buying here, you'll see price basically drop a year pounds, then that's when you're gonna have a problem again. If you're gonna still think no, you are still safe to sell here, that means the stop loss circle must be above, of which is not good for your account. One.
My son is school at 3 now.
Won't they put in email and chat manch?
Where is the pit?
It's in Bouchen. Yes.
Where is?
Yeah, goes. Oh, okay. I see the 2 up before 5 because now I'm only left with 2 minutes as well. If you remember last week, this is the signal as he said last week. First time, second time. The best thing that you can do for yourself here, the price is a good way. And then once the price is figure go, you're gonna be safe. Trade. You can see this is the first time, this is the second time. Here we also have a supply and demand. You can see how the market went up. You can see how it went up. But then if you want to jump in here, good risk because you won't know where to place a stop loss accurate. And if you trade you can just say out. Say out. But the best thing that you can do, but still look at this. We have in here, we have it drop, base, drop on daily time frame. Price went down, it went back up to the drop base drop. Now, and then the price went down. Again, if you pay attention from the drop base drop to this level, look at this. Unfortunately, the time is up. Can you see what happened here? First time, second time, third time. So I'm not sure if I should create another class or Slinde around 4 for abanye bazo join.
Yeah, let's wait for the others to be able to join.
All right.
Trust me, now just go over my charts and get a few learnings or consult. I need you.
All right, no stress.
All right, thank you.